Hello friends, today is 31st October 2020 and we all know today is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's Jayanti. On these occasions, I have decided to start new series. In this series, I will upload the video related to latest news, technology and innovation in the field of civil engineering and construction. So it will helpful to the people who are directly or indirectly associated with branch of civil engineering. I would like to give you some information about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Vallabhbhai Zavarbhai Patel is also known as a Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, or he is also known as a Iron Man of India. He was from Loha Patel Patidar community in Nadiad. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is also known as Bismarck of India, Iron Man of India and Sardar Patel. He was also awarded with Bharat Ratna. He is remembered as a very strong and dynamic freedom fighter. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's father Zavarbhai Patel served in army of Queen Jhansi. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was law graduate and later travelled to England to become a barrister. After returning to India, he continued practicing law in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel treated painful boil with hot iron rod without any hesitation. That's why he is known as Iron Man. He joined the Indian National Congress and his initial movement started with Satyagraha in Gujarat against British atrocities. Later he actively participated and volunteered the Quit India movement in 1942, closely working with Shree Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His belief in the principle of unity in diversity and stands united for the common cause of India's independence made him the Iron Man of India. Due to his leadership quality and ability to connect to masses, he has been given the title of Sardar Patel. After independence, he was appointed as the first Home Minister of India. Simultaneously, he was the Commander-in-Chief of Indian Armed Force. Later, he also became the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. Vallabhbhai Patel died on 15th December 1950 after suffering a heart attack at Birla House in Bombay, now known as Mumbai, Maharashtra. Now I would like to share a few of the things about Statue of Unity. Statue of Unity is dedicated to Sri Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So let's have a look. Statue of Unity is located at Kevadia Colony, Narmada District, Gujarat State, India. Height of Statue of Unity is 182 meters. This is the world's tallest statue. This is twice than the height of Statue of Liberty. The height of Statue of Unity is based on total 182 constituencies of Gujarat. Statue of Unity was the dream of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. This was started in 2013 and finished in 2018. The cost of Statue of Unity is 2,989 crore Indian rupees. Look and shape of Statue of Unity was given by Shri Ram Sutar Sir. He was awarded with Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri and Tagore Award. He had made 3 models in 1 year. Smallest model having the height of 3 feet and biggest model having the height of 30 feet. 30 feet model was placed in Gandhinagar, located in Gujarat. There was Loha campaign. With the help of this, they have collected 135 metric ton of Loha iron. Other information that I would like to share, that is 18,500 tons of reinforced steel have been used. 210,000 cubic meter concrete have been used. Around 70,000 of metric tons of cement is there. Around 6,500 tons of structural steel they have used. 1,700 tons of bronze cladding have been used in the Statue of Unity. This Statue of Unity was designed to resist wind of 180 km per hour. Statue of Unity was located in seismic zone 3. That's why they have used 2 tuned mass dampers having the weight of 250 ton each. Statue of Unity was inaugurated by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi on the occasion of 143th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I feel very proud that I am from Gujarat, India. Other news that I would like to share it with you. There was an earthquake in Turkey having this magnitude of 7. Several number of people, several number of structures are affected due to this earthquake. Stay home, stay safe, keep smiling. It helps a lot. Thank you. Bye.